there was a scientist who was going around in his lab and found there were several colorful dogs in there. And he talked to one of the dogs, and they told him, "There's something outside, you must go and see it." And so he went outside and found there were different colors of leaves out there on the trees. And he took one of the leaves from the ground and found there were small little bugs on it. And when he found all those little bugs, he put them under a microscope and found there was even more organisms on one of the bugs. And so he brought one of those things to another scientist and said, "I'd like you to look at this and tell me what you see." He looked at it and looked at it and looked at it and found there was nothing there at all. He said, "I don't know what you're talking about. I just see a bunch of leaves." And the other scientist said, "Nonsense. Of course there's something there. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it under a microscope." And so he took it to another group of scientists, and they said, "Well, we just see a bunch of leaves." And he said, "That's good. I'm going to start raking my yard tomorrow." And so the scientist started raking his yard and putting it all in a gigantic pile. And then he started to burn the pile and then drench the ashes with water. And he took the water and put it into a well. The end.